In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot on Edge browser. Now, while you're on Edge browser, you want to click on this Copilot icon here at the top right corner of your browser. Once you click on it, the page will open up this way. Now you can drag this here to adjust the space you want the Copilot to occupy. And for me, I like to broaden it. Now on this input box here, you enter your prompts and tell Copilot what you want it to do. Once you're done with that, you click on enter and it will enter. So you see, once you type in something, then you would see this button that says send. Once you send it, you get response to your prompt. Or you can click on this icon here for voice prompting. So you see you're prompted to give permission, use your microphone. So click on allow and then Copilot will listen to your prompt and type it out on the input box, and then you can now click on send to get that done. Alright, so as you can see, Copilot typed what I was saying at that point and it was pretty accurate, so it's a nice tool to use. And you can also select how you want Copilot to respond. Under auto, you have decide how long to think. Here we have quick response, answer right away. We have think deeper, think longer for better answer. Depending on what you want, you just select based on your discretion. And here we have GPT. I've never really used this, so if you want to, you can explore it as well. Now, this button here allows you to start a new chat. So if I click on this button, you would see that it would start a new chat. And here you can have temporary chat. So what is temporary chat? You can think of it as incognito mode. It allows you to actually chat privately, more like it preserves your privacy. This chat will not use or create memories and will not be saved in your chat session history. Temporary charge will be retained in accordance with the retention policy defined by your IT administrator and may be accessible to them during that period. So basically, this is just for privacy. Now, depending on what you want, you can use it if need be. If you want to see your chat history, you just click on that button, the hamburger button, and here you can also click to start up a new chat if you want, and you can view your chat history. Here you can explore agents. There are quite some agents you can actually make use of here that would make life easier for you. Workflow, Frontier. So any of these you can just scroll down and see what works for you and select it. Here you have create agent. I've never really used this, but one thing I know is that if you click on this, it will prompt you to open the Microsoft 365 app. That is where you can actually work with it from. I've never used it though. The interface is quite simple. If you just want to create a new chart, you go back to new charts. You can upgrade from here if you want to. I think here it allows you to open in Microsoft 365 Copilot app. You can see recent pages, send feedback to Microsoft. You can access the settings from here, and then you can get help from here, just tutorial, prompt gallery, any of that. And right here, you can just click on this to open it on a new tab, or you can refresh the entire page and click on these three dots for snoozing to unsnooze notifications, app settings, and all that. These are things you rarely would use unless you have need for them. It's that simple to use the Copilot. Once you're done and you want to do other things, perhaps you can just click on this cancel button here and close the Copilot pan. So, and that is it. If you want to open it again, you just go there and click and you have it open. It's that simple and straightforward. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you and see you in the next one.